Hey there, my name is Kathy. Welcome to the Junk Shack, baby. Today's video, I'm going to bring you a couple of really affordable Christmas crafts. Everything I got, I bought at the Dollar Tree. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. I have always thought Nutcrackers are pretty cool. I just don't care for all of the bright colors. So I went to Dollar Tree, bought up one of each, and decided to give them a makeover. I started with a coat of paint on the front and back of every one of them. I used that paint right there. Deciding what to keep white and what to paint black was actually the hardest part of this whole craft. Originally, they did have some cool designs on them, and I tried to mimic them with my silver glue paint. I think they turned out pretty good. Each one is a little bit different. They definitely needed faces. I did the best I could freehand, and I think it looks okay, and they do look like a different person in each one. I also added Dollar Tree pearls to their vests in the front and on top of each shoulder for each one. After picking up a package of the wooden bells from Dollar Tree and a roll of this wrapping paper, I proceeded to cut the pattern out that I liked the most. I then painted the bells blue, because blue and silver are my colors for Christmas. And using the design part that I like from the wrapping paper, I just took my glue stick and attached it to the bell. Easy peasy. Using my sanding sponge, I sharpened the edge there and removed the excess. After finishing all 4 of them, I took the string they came with and attached them to my bead garland I made in a video a while back. I'll link that below if you'd like to see how I put that together. Since I am not really decorating for Christmas until after Thanksgiving, I just laid the garland across the fireplace to take these pictures. I do think this will look cool when the fireplace is all decorated with my other blue and silver items. But for now, you can see what they look like. I did add these little reindeer cutouts from the paper on the back, just in case. It just seemed like it finished it better. I picked up 2 of these iridescent trees from Dollar Tree. I had no idea they had them. But they're kind of cool. I probably wouldn't have bought them if I didn't realize they weren't white. But anyway, I decided to put them both together and kind of make a swag with them. Next, it was time to decorate them. I picked up a bag of these blue ornaments. I think they were 50 cents at my local thrift store. The little ornaments came in a tube from Dollar Tree for $1. And that is what we have. I love the colors with that iridescent kind of look. It really stands out. I pulled these wood stars out of my stash and threw some blue paint at them. I then used the strings from the tube of ornaments to attach them and added them on the back. Here I'm showing that I added an extra bulb on the back simply because when I hung it, it sort of drooped down and I needed it to stand straight out. This little craft turned out so stinking cute, way better than I expected, and only for, what do I got, $3 or $4 into it. I had the stars and I had the paint. These are just these little wood cutouts you can pick up at the Dollar Tree. I simply painted the roofs white and added the brown trim and then used my colored glitter to give colored lights on the one and clear lights on the other. I think they turned out super cute and so easy, anyone can do it. It might be kind of hard to tell, but they are two different styles. One has raised windows and the other one has a raised door with a wreath. As you can see, I added some silver glitter glue on the trees just to give it that finishing touch. I sure hope you enjoyed these crafts as much as I enjoyed making them. If you thought these crafts were fun and cool and you know someone who might like to do them, please share the video. I'd appreciate it. Thanks a bunch for watching. See you guys next week, same time, same place. Junk Shack, baby.